Today we're going to be doing I almost said kinky, that's not what this is, kinky clown makeup tutorial. It includes various things like bondage and whips and electrode torture. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Okay. So, I hope you enjoy my mini mouse looking head ass in this video because I'm over my hair at this point. I don't want to do it anymore. I'm not gonna cut it off again, but I want like a protective style or something. Anyways, so I'm gonna take concealer to start off and prime my eyes. And now I'm gonna take a blending brush. I think I wanna stick with pink. So I'm gonna go into Flamingo right here. And put that somewhere. I'll put it here, I don't know. I'm just gonna put that in the crease, I guess. And then I'm gonna go in with a flat shader brush. And then I'm gonna go in with Black Truffle. I have progressively gotten like unfunnier and unfunnier. Put that black on my lid, blending it up into those other two colors. And then I'm gonna smudge that black on the lower lash line. You know what I find funny? Deadass 2 videos ago I was talking about how easy it was and how much easier it was if I did like one eye off camera first and then did the other eye so I know what I'm doing. And you know what I'm doing? Not that. Okay, I fucked up this eye, so I literally spent 10 minutes wanting to jump off a bridge because I had to take everything off and fix it. I'm going to take this NYX eyebrow pen crayon in, I think it's like black or something. Yeah, it's in black. Make a line with that instead because this gets pretty thin. Okay, so that broke, so apparently screw that idea. And I'm gonna go in on a very thin angled liner brush in that black and try this because okay, so cool. Do the same thing on the bottom. I'm gonna make another line, a shorter line though. She a little thick up there. Like that Trinidad James song. You remember that song? How it go? She ain't that, bruh. Now watch it, just a little thick. Y'all remember that song? From here, I'm just gonna do the other eye off camera, and then I'll be right back. Is take that same angled liner brush and the same black we've been using this entire time, and I'm just gonna create like a fake little wing on this outside and then blend it up towards it. You see how like I angled this one outwards? That's what I'm trying to do on this other side, but failing miserably. I swear to God, I literally lose everything. Like now I can't find my black lipstick. Like why? So since I can't find my black lipstick, I'm just gonna wipe off the lip balm that I have on my top lip because I can't have my lips looking as crusted, busted, and dusted as they did in the last 3 videos. So I'm just gonna outline my top lip in this. I mean, it's a little too late for a warning, but warning anyway, I can't line my lips for shit. And now I'm going to extend that out. Oh shit. By extend that out, I mean bring it in apparently. I'm just gonna use the eyeshadow because I can't with that eyeliner. I may have overlined just a tad bit, like Kylie Jenner in the old days kind of overline, but it kind of looks like a mustache. Damn it. But am I gonna go back and take all this black off and redo it when I have one, possibly two more videos I have to film today? No. You know why? Because I'm a lazy sack of shit. Are you a lazy sack of shit? If so, let's be friends, because I literally only have one friend and it's kind of sad. Maybe if I extend it out more, like the thin parts. Okay, so I found this Beautique Defining Eye Pencil in the shade Emerald. And all I did was just add little dots at the end. Because if I want to keep it cohesive with the pink in the eyes, I should use pink. So I'm gonna put this pink lipstick over top. So all I did was I put the emerald one on like an idiot, and then I took a pink lipstick, put it over top, and now I'm going into that same pink shade Flamingo, and I'm going on a random brush, and I'm packing that on. I think I'm gonna block out my bottom lip. Okay, don't mind this one. Just don't mind her, okay? She's different. Okay, it's fine. Ew, I hate it from this angle. This is disgusting. It's high-key kind of creepy though, because clowns are just creepy in general. If you hate clowns, well, you're kind of fucked on this video, but you know. It's not that bad. Scale from 1 to 10, I'd say it's like a 7, 6, 7. It's not that bad. Not that bad. But that's all that I had for this creepy clown Halloween tutorial. I had to think about that for a second. And I will see you in tomorrow's video that I'm gonna film today because, you know, reasons.